Okay, hello everyone, and in today's video we are going to be learning about decimals. So, decimals are basically just like, they're parts of a whole. So, a decimal is a fraction. Let me undo that. A fraction out of 10. Actually, let me change my brush tool. Okay, so it's a fraction out of 10 or 100. And my hand is really shaky today, so okay. So it's, let's say the just 1 out of 100 is a fraction. 1 out of 100 in decimal form and can be converted to 0.1, and my point is really messed up, but there. So 0.1, that is a decimal out of 100. So if I took, out of 10. So if I took 3 out of 10, that will convert to 0.3. Okay, and my handwriting is really messy right now. Let's go ahead and clear this. That's great. Just wonderful. Okay, let me just clear this out. Okay, so decimals are out of 10, but they can also be out of 100 if I can write correctly. I can change the size. So out of 100, let's say like 35 out of 100. I don't like that grayish color. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that. There we go. So it can be out of 100. So out of 100, let's say 45 out of 100. The decimal is going to be 0, and my 0 is out of order. 0.445. And I know you can't read my messy sort of writing, but so this is the basics of decimals and how it works. Let's take this example. So we have 45. Now 45 as a decimal will be 45.0, or just 45. Now you see the decimal dot is over here. 100, let's 45 out of 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so we move it to the left 2 times. 1 and 2. And now our decimal ends up over here. And let me switch to a different color. So our decimal dot ends up over here. So then that would be 0, and then 0.45, or 0.45. So those are equivalent. So let's do another example. Let me just erase all of this. It may take a long time. Okay. Let's just keep that. Alright, let's do it in a different color. Green. Okay. So let's say 36 out of 100. So 36 out of 100, that is a 6. Okay, so 36 out of 100. Let's just take this 36 and let's put it in here. So 36 there. Okay, so now I have the 36, 36 just as a whole number. Let me change my tool. Okay, 36 as a whole number would just be 36.0. Let's do it in a different color. Okay, so now because this 100 has 2 zeros, we need to move the decimal over 2 places to the left. So 1 and 2. And now our decimal dot is going to be here. So then it will just be point. And let me grab this color. There will be 0.360, and it's actually kind of a faded color. I don't like that. Alright, let's turn it brighter. Okay, so 360. So that'll be 0.36. You don't need that 0. So then it will be 0.3036. So that is how you go from here to there. So that is how you convert fractions out of 100 or 10 to decimals. And I think I forgot to show you this. Let me just erase all of this. Okay, so let's say 3 out of 10. You could just write this as 0.3, but it can also be 30. Let's add zeros out of 100, and you totally can't see that. So yeah, if we have 3 out of 100, you can barely read my zeros. 3 out of 100, let's take 3, and we have the point 0. 3 as a whole number will be 3.0. Let me change my color. And 100 has 2 zeros, so we move this 2 times. So 1, 2 times to the left, 2. And we can put a 0 over here. And we have changed my tool back. We have a point, so it will be 0.03. Okay, so that's basically decimals to fractions to decimals, and you can do the same way to decimals to fractions of 110. If it's yeah, 10 to 100. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.